Hello, it's James Francis, and I know it's been a while since I posted a video on the blog for you guys and girls, but it's for a very good reason. I've been working very hard behind the scenes with my clients and also my coaching clients too, and also traveling the world in Mexico, Ibiza, and a few other places too, so it's been a pretty busy last couple of months. But now I want to start recording more of these types of videos for you on the blog every single week, okay? So look forward to that, and hopefully more often too, okay? So in this video, I want to really help you out with a really critical part of being successful online with your online business and making a whole bunch of money too. So this question is, James, should I give away my best stuff for 27 bucks? Now, of course, the answer in your head is probably no. Why would I only charge 27 bucks for my best stuff? But hear me out on this one, because the answer is actually not that simple, okay? And I'm going to give it to you straight in a way that I would tell my coaching clients too. So most people kind of take or withdraw their best stuff for their higher priced products, and they create maybe a $7 product or something, and within that $7 product they give away some mediocre content with the hopes that they would spend more money to get the better stuff. That's how most marketers and most beginners work, okay? But the truth is, if you do that, you will get your prospects not buying much else from you, and here's why. If you imagine the mindset of your prospect when they first view your ad on Facebook or Google or through SEO search results or whatever, and they're visiting your website for the very first time, they have no preconceptions of you, they have no idea who you are, and they probably encounter your website with a slightly jaded view of what you have to offer because of the previous experiences they've had from other experts or gurus in your niche, okay? So they may have been screwed over in the past, they may not have a very good view of marketers like yourself, okay? So when they land on the website, every little thing counts. Of course, you've got to, capture their email address and get them onto your email list so you can follow up with them in the right way and the usual yada marketing stuff. That's in all of my programs. But beyond that, most marketers, what they do is they create like a $7 or $27 tripwire, which I hate that word, by the way. I much prefer a front-end offer. That's more friendly, right? You don't want to trip people up. But basically, you create a low-priced offer. And most people think because it's low-priced, it should also be low value. Now, what happens is when this is done, when you are selling a $7 offer with mediocre content or value in that offer, the prospect will buy that product, finally be persuaded, yes, James, you've got me, I really want to buy this. They buy it, and if they have a bad or a mediocre or below average experience with that product, do you think they're going to buy anything else from you? Probably not. Okay, but if they have a very good experience because you've delivered a lot of value, you've over-delivered with that product, they will think, wow, this is incredible. Imagine what the $2,000 product is like. That's the thought process you want them to have, is wow, this is so awesome. They have that aha moment. They want more from you. And how are they going to do that? By buying more of your stuff. But if you withhold the best information to the later products at the higher price points, they'll never get there, because they will be so unhappy or, not very thrilled with their initial purchase. They're not going to buy anything else from you. So there's a reason why in our $27 program, we give away a lot of value, because it creates a positive expectation for our future products too. If people have a good experience with our $27 product, then they're going to be buying more stuff from us in the future as well at much higher price points. And it's crazy how many people who spend $3,000 or even $20,000 or $30,000 with us say they only did that because they had so much value from the $27 product, okay? Now, of course, I'm not saying you should give away, one-on-one consulting or, very high value stuff for 27 bucks so you have nothing left. I'm just saying don't withhold important information that they need to get their end results that you're promising. Okay, so you should still shock them with value, but make sure that you're not going in too much depth, that then you have nothing left for the higher priced offers, okay? So hopefully this helps, and hopefully this gives you some perspective, but you want them to feel like they are being given a lot of value at the low price point, so they feel, damn, I can't wait to see what is in the higher priced offers, and that's when they get really interested, and And that's when they ask you to buy more of your stuff at the higher price points, okay? And that's how you turn a $27 purchase, which you think, how can you make 6 figures or 7 figures per year from just $27 products? The answer is that you don't. That $27 product or that $7 product is only the entrance to the rest of your offers and products, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below in the comment section if you found it valuable. If you want to see anything else as well in this channel, please let me know and I'll happily cover that for you as well. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already done so, and give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it too. It really helps us to spread the word, all right? So have a great rest of the week, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.